Very good afternoon to all of you children. So we have come to the end of this academic year. Today is the last session of this academic year. So we are going to write our examination. So I wish you all a very best. So before we write our examination, let us go through a model question paper so it will help us to write our examination in a better way. So let's move on to it, children. So let's move on to the question paper. So this is your model question paper. Okay, children. So I wanted all of you to get ready with your, I hope you could see it. Yes? Can you all of you see the paper?
Ma'am, I joined now only. What we have to do?
No, nothing. You just take a paper
Yes,
or a
ma'am.
and a pencil with you. Okay? So the instructions will be given to you. Please do listen very carefully. Okay, so this is your question paper. So you have your answer script in front of you. So first you have to write your class together with the division.
And we have to write it now.
Wait. I'll tell you one thing. One minute, children.
Ma'am, can I take rough book?
Yes, anything. A rough book or a paper, whatever it is. All of you get ready quickly, children. Anything. Just we are doing a revision.
Okay, ma'am. No, I can't. Ma'am, I took a rough book.
Can all of you see the paper?
The screen? Yes, ma'am.
I'll make
Can
it.
you zoom the screen?
Yes. I'll
Ma'am,
zoom it.
can you zoom the screen?
I'll do it.
Can you zoom the
Yes, children, I'll zoom it.
I have to write the name and division. Okay.
Okay. So this is your question paper, children. I hope you can see it. Okay. Can all of you see it? Yes.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, we want to write name also.
Yes. So when you send the paper to me, I wanted to see your class. Your section should be written here and your name should be written legibly. And please also write the subject very well. Okay, so these are the things you have to write it. And this is the way the question will be asked. Underline the adverbs in the following sentences and write their kind. And each question carries 1.5 mark each. That's the first
Ma'am,
question.
we have to write the question.
No. Question, I don't want it. I wanted only the answer. I'll tell you how to write the answers in your answer script. Please do follow the instructions. So
Okay, ma'am.
the first question is underline the adverbs in the following sentences and write their kind. The first
Ma'am,
question
you
I'll
want
give
to
for you.
write now?
One
You want
minute.
to write now?
1 minute. I'll give you the instructions. Then we will do the question paper later. After 1 minute. Underline the adverbs in the following sentences and write their kind. So this is the question for you. The student spoke politely. So how is that you're going to answer it in your answer script? Just you have to write their question number 1. Is that clear? And write 1 there. So the answer is provided for you. The question is already there in the question paper. I wanted only the answer. So the student spoke politely. Here the correct answer is politely. So when the space provided, you have been a space provided, but in your answer script, you see that the correct answer, you write it politely. Okay. And what kind of adverb it is? What kind of adverb it is? It is adverb of manner. So this is the way you have to answer it in your answer script. So we'll be writing the answers here, okay, in the answer script. Okay, children, so let's do it. So in your answer script, you write only the answers. How will you write the answers? Write question number 1 and write the subdivision. Write the answer there politely, okay, and put a hyphen and you write there it is adverb of manner. Adverb of manner. So each question carries 1.5 mark each, half mark for identifying the adverb and 1 mark for its kind. Okay, so this is how the mark has been divided into. Similarly, you'll be doing the rest. Read the rest of the question and do it. I'll give you 1 minute time. Do it fast. Okay, we'll start with, if you're finished with the second question, I'll be calling your name. Adira, come on, Adira, do the second question. Do it. I wanted you to write only the answers in your answer script. Okay, questions I don't want it. I want it, so this is the way you have to answer it in your answer script. Write the first question, write the subdivision, and write one there, and write the answer politely and adverb of manner. Okay, so do the second one. Adira, are you there? Can you do it
Yes,
now?
ma'am.
Yes, do the second
Yes,
one.
ma'am.
Yes, do it.
Mia will stay there.
Yes, so with pick out the adverb.
There.
There. So how will you write the answers in your answer script? Here we can't underline it.
Adverb
So
of place.
yes. So it is there. You write it in your answer. There is the adverb. So you write what kind it is. It is adverb of place. So similarly, you will write it in your answer script. Adverb of place. Is that clear to all of you? Write it legibly. Write the correct question number. Okay, space it out and you write the answers. Now let's move on to Maisa. Maisa, do the next one.
Fast.
Yes, fast. Jodi ran fast. So fast is the adverb here. What kind it is, Maisa?
Adverb of manner.
Adverb of manner. Yes, adverb of manner. So from that question, from the adverb and its kind, this type of the question will be asked. Okay, Hale, come on, Hale. Do the next one.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, do the fourth question.
He came today.
Yes, he came today. So
Today.
today. So what kind it is?
Adverb of.
Adverb of. Adverb of today. When? So adverb of. If adverb answers the question when, then what kind it is?
Adverb of time.
Yes, very good. Adverb of time. If it answers the question when, then it is adverb of time. Very good.
I wasn't thinking.
Yes, Joy, come on. Do the next one.
Yesterday was a holiday.
Okay, pick out the adverb.
Yesterday.
Yesterday. What kind it is?
Adverb of time.
Yes, very good.
Thank you, ma'am.
It is adverb of time. So this is the way you will answer the question. Just you have to write your name, your class, and write the division. Don't forget to write the division. Write the subject, what it is, English grammar, and write question number 1. Okay, write 1 and write the answer like this. Okay, write 2, space it out and write the answer. 3, write the answer. So for this, for the politely it is half a mark, and for the kind you will be awarded with 1 mark. So don't forget to write it in this manner, the first question. So I hope the first question is very clear to all of you. Now let's move on to the second set of questions. Here the second set of questions are, replace the highlighted noun with the subject or the object pronoun. So before we move on to that question, let us have a short recap on the topic. Pronouns are always, everybody are finding a little bit difficult, but I wanted all of you to go through your notes as well as your workbook. Please go through it very well. Pronouns as such, we know it's the word which replaces a noun. Okay, a word that replaces a noun is called a pronoun. There are 7 common pronouns. Singular pronouns are I, it, he, and she, and the plural pronouns are we, you, they. So totally there are 7 common pronouns, and these 7 common pronouns are called as a subject pronouns. And these subject pronouns should be replaced by a subject in a sentence. So please see that if the underlined word is a subject, it should be replaced by a subject pronoun. And these 7 subject pronoun has their other form, which is called as the object object pronoun. So each word, that is each 7 pronouns, have their object pronoun too. For I it is me, for it is it, for he it is him, for she it is her, for we it is us, for you it is the same you, and for they it is them. Please do learn the subject and the object pronoun by heart. Only then you will be able. So the object should be replaced by an object pronoun. This is what you have to know as far as the topic is concerned. Nothing much. Learn the 7 pronouns and also as object pronouns. That's all. Now let's move on to the topic now. I hope all of you please write the answer for the first one. Sam came first in the place. So you have to replace the highlighted noun. Highlighted means the underlined or the darkened one, whatever it is. Here I underline it. You have to replace the underlined word using a subject or an object pronoun. Do it fast. You have to write the full sentence. See the marks here? It is 1.5 mark. So you have to write the full sentence. Only then the marks will be allotted for you. 1.5. Otherwise, if you write only Sam, it is he. Only for he, you will be given only half a mark. So please see that according to the marks, you have to write the full sentence. And here even, you have to write the word as well as the what kind it is. Okay. Okay, let's move on to it. I'm not going to waste our time. Just to give you an idea how to write the answers in your answer script. Yuvan, come on, do the first one, Yuvan. Yes, Yuvan. Unmute it, please.
Ma'am,
Yes.
he came first in the place.
Very good. Sam, instead of Sam, Sam is a subject, so it should be replaced by subject pronoun. Here, Sam is a masculine gender, so it should be replaced by he. So he came first in the place. So this is the way you have to answer it in your answer script. And underline the word he. Have all of you understood? And don't forget to put a full stop at the end of the sentence. Is that clear to all of you? Okay. Now, Adidev MB, do the second one for me. Yes, Adidev.
The teacher likes him.
Yes, the teacher instead of Tom. Tom is the object here. So it should be replaced by an object pronoun. So here is the teacher likes him. Very good.
Him.
Yes, very good. So you underline the word. Very good, Aditi. Sringa, come on, Sringa. Do the next one. It is Mr. and Mrs. Manon. So, come on, Sringa. Come on, Sringa. Sringa's not there. Okay, Sringa, unmute it if you're able to. Can you unmute it? Otherwise, I'll move on to the no. Okay, then. Amaya, come on, Amaya. Do the next one.
Yes,
The question is Mr. and Mrs. Manon. Okay, come on, read the question.
Mr. and Mrs. Manon are going to London this evening.
Yes, okay. So for instead of Mr. and Mrs. Manon, which pronoun? It is a subject. Ah, yes, they. So here it should be replaced by they. Here there are 2 people, husband and wife. Okay, so it is Mr. and Mrs. Manon. There are 2 people are there, so it should be replaced by a subject pronoun they. So they are
Going to London.
going to London. I wanted you to write the whole sentence. Okay.
Yes, ma'am, I write the whole
this-
sentence.
Yes, you
And
have to.
underline it.
Only then you will be awarded with full mark. Only if you write only the answer they, only you will be given half a mark. Please do. Please don't forget to write the whole sentence. Okay. Now let's move on to the next part of the question. Okay. Yes, Catherine, come on. I hope you can see the question paper legibly. Yes, now do the fourth question. Catherine. Catherine, can you do it? Catherine? Catherine is not there. No? Okay, Janvi, come on. Janvi, unmuted and do the fourth question. Anu and I like storybooks. Do that one.
Ma'am,
Mm.
Anu and I like storybooks.
Okay, so for Anu and I, which suitable pronoun should be replaced with? We, very good. We like storybooks. I told you we is a plural pronoun, but when you are included into it, there is only one pronoun, children, it is we. We like storybooks, yes. So this is the way you have to write the answers, and don't forget to put a full stop and also underline the appropriate pronoun. Okay, so now let's move on to Niran. Niran, come on, do the next one.
I play with Arun every evening.
Yes, I play with Arun every evening. So Arun should be replaced with an appropriate pronoun. So Arun should be replaced with which pronoun? It is an object. So I play with,
I play with him every evening.
very good. I play with him every evening. Please do learn the table very well, children. So that only thing you have to know is under the pronoun, the 7 subject pronouns and the 7 object pronouns. If you're familiar with that, it'll be easier for you to do this exercise very well. Okay, children. So let's move on to the next question to Achut. Achut, now all of you listen, children. Here, as far as the third, fourth, and the fifth question, you have to write only the answers. I don't want you to write the full sentence as such. So here, it's only 1 mark is allotted for you. So the question number 3, write 1. The options are given for you. Write only the answers. 2, write only the answer. 3, write only the answer. Similarly, for fourth question as well as for the fifth question, write the correct question number and write only the answers in your answer script, and see that you write neatly and write in a very dark pencil, so that I hope so. Other than that,
Ma'am,
nothing.
can I read?
Yes, do it, Achut.
The examination is
Mm.
on December.
December is a month, so is it right, Achut? If you're talking about month, seasons, and year, which preposition we have to use?
On.
What is that?
In.
It is in. Okay, the examination is in December. If we are talking about month, seasons, and year, we have to use the preposition in. Okay. Yes, Arjun, come on, Arjun. Do the next one.
They are
Arriving. They are arriving
Monday.
Monday. So, which preposition? Options are given there for you.
On.
On, very good. They are arriving on Monday. They are arriving on Monday. Yes, when you're talking about the day and the dates, it should be. Okay, now let's move on to the next question. Very good. All of you turn on your videos, children. Those are not turning on your videos, I'm not going to ask any questions to them. No questions will be asked. Sri Rugda, come on. Do the next one.
Can you hear me?
Yes, I can. Come on.
She
Mm,
has
mm,
a meeting
Meeting.
at 8 o'clock.
Very good. He has a meeting at 8 o'clock. I've told you when we talk about the exact time or an exact place, we use the preposition at. Very good. Vaishnav, come on, Vaishnav. Do the next one. So we have finished with in, on, and at, and there are 2 more prepositions left. Please see that which is the appropriate one there.
My friends stay dash my house.
Okay,
near
so
my.
yes, very good. It is
Near
near
my.
my house. Near. Okay. So in the examinations too, appropriate options will be given for you. Accordingly, you write it. Okay. Who hasn't got a chance here? Asad, come on, Asad. Do the next one.
The cat is sleeping under the table.
Yes, the cat is sleeping under the table. Okay, children. So this is how you have to write the answers. You can write only the answers, write the question number, Roman number, and write the correct question number and write the answers. Okay. Now let's move on to the next question. That is conjunctions. Conjunctions here, you have to only identify the conjunctions in a sentence. We have learnt about the coordinating and the subordinating conjunctions. Under the coordinating conjunctions, we have learned the acronym fanboys. And under the subordinating conjunctions, we have learned the acronym. What is the acronym we have learned? Who can give me the answer? Did you go through the notes which I gave you? ISA, WA.
Excuse me, you had disabled my video.
What is that?
Catherine.
WAWAEUP.
Ma'am, Catherine's video you had disabled.
Disabled. Oh, you. What I've did?
Ma'am, when you was unmuting me, that time you was disabled my video.
Video. Let me check. Okay. Now see. Yes, it's okay now. Now it's okay, no, Catherine?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, okay.
Thank you, ma'am.
So, okay. So, say it again. Fanboys.
ISAWAWADUB.
Yes. So that is the acronym for that I gave you for you to remember for the subordinating conjunction. So you have to know this both acronym. So only 17 conjunctions will be there. You have to identify the conjunctions.
Share the screen.
Yes.
Ma'am,
I'll
can
share the
I
screen
share
for
the
you. I'll be doing it.
Ma'am,
Okay.
can I read the next question?
Yes, do it. Yes, do it. Read the next
Try.
question. It is not try and children, it is a spelling error. So try until you succeed. That is the question there. Okay.
Try until you succeed.
Okay. Now pick out the
Until.
until. So until is a conjunction. Similarly, how will you write the answers in your answer script? Write question number 4, write 1 and write only the answer there until. Okay. So this will enough for the answer script. You write only the answers. Okay then. Now let's move on to the next. Advaita, come on Advaita, do the next one.
Yeah.
Mhm.
I was not at home when you called me.
Yes, so which is the conjunction there? Pick out the conjunction in the sentence. At is not a conjunction, at is a preposition. So see there, which are the words here? I was not at home, you called me. So these are the two parts of a sentence. So it is being joined by a word. Which is that word is? When. So when is a conjunction here? Okay. So when is a conjunction here? Is that clear to all of you? So who did not get a chance here?
Ma'am and Maria.
Anne Maria did not get.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, I finished.
Straight.
Ma'am, I also.
Yes. Oh. Just Anne Maria, come on then.
Ma'am,
Come on, do the next one for me.
what will you have?
No, read the third question. You can take rest.
You can take rest if you feel tired.
Yes, you can take rest if you feel tired. So the question, if, very good. If is the answer. Okay. Adiram, I saw all these. Aditri, come on, Aditri. You did not get a chance. No, come on, read the next question.
Ma'am,
Hmm.
what
What
will you have? Tea or coffee?
Yes, what will you have? Tea or coffee? So,
Will.
hmm?
Will.
How come? Fanboys? B-O-Y-S. So B is, but O is
Or.
So here or is the conjunction here. Okay. So please go through that very well, children. Please try to get full marks for the English grammar. Yes, Pranav and Prarthana. Pranav, do the question. Last question.
He was
Mm.
taken to the hospital because he was ill.
Ill. Okay. So because, very good. So because is a conjunction. So the fourth question, write the question number and write the conjunction word there. Okay, so that will be okay.
ma'am.
Now we are moving on to the last set of question. That is, you have to fill in the blanks with the correct pronouns from the brackets. Okay, Pratana can do the first one. So here, when you read the question, read the full sentence and see that if the subject and the verb agrees. Okay,
Your video is off.
my video is off.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, okay.
Is here you meet the teacher.
Okay, so Dash is here to meet the teacher. So, who's here to meet the teacher? He. Yes, it is his, is here. So, it should be he.
He.
Okay, so he is here to meet the teacher. So, all of you, please do look at the verb. Or the subject and the verb agrees. Okay, so this is very important. You are, when you do this exercise, be very careful. Look at the verb, look at the subject as well as the verb. Here the subject and the verb has to agree with each other.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, come on.
Ma'am, I did the sentence.
What is that?
You should write the sentence.
No, you write only the answer. Question number 5, write 1 and write only the answer in your answer script. Okay.
Ma'am, we have to write the full sentence only for the
I've
first
told
activity.
first and the second question, I told you how to write it. Half a mark for the word and half a mark and 1 mark for the, that is for the first question. Second question also, you have to write the full sentence. Third and fourth and fifth question, that is Roman number 3, 4 and 5, you have to write only the answer in your answer script. Okay, children. So when you write it down, write it properly, write it legibly so that I could see the paper very well. Okay then. So now let's move on to other. Other, come on, do the next one.
Both of you can play here. Fifth question I cannot see.
Which question you could not see?
Ma'am, can you make this
Ma'am,
board
can you
little up?
take it up? Ma'am, we can see the fifth
okay,
question.
okay. Okay, I'll do it for you.
Fifth question.
1 minute, children. I'll do it for you.
We are going to go on this. I am going to go on this weekend. Ma'am, finished.
Yes. Now,
Ma'am, finish. Ma'am, finished.
finished?
Yes. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, Other, I've told you Other to do the next one. No, Other, please do it. Where are the results? Can you see the board, children?
Yes, yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
But I couldn't see you.
Ma'am,
Something's wrong there.
ma'am,
Ma'am, I cannot see the board. Ma'am, I can't see the board.
ma'am, I can't see the board. Now I can see.
Ma'am, I can see. Now I can see.
Can you see the board?
Yes, ma'am.
we can see the board.
Okay then. Do the next one. Second question.
Both of you can play here.
Yes, both of you can play here. Yes, both of you it is. Both of you. Okay. It is both of you can play here. Okay, the next person. Vediga, come on, Vediga.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I can see the board.
That's what I want. Right? Now we can you see the board?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Now, Vedika, come on, do the next one. Third question.
Dash knows how to swim very well.
Okay, so
She.
yes, here it is. The subject and the verb has to agree. You know that the verb here, S has been added to it. When the subject is singular, the verb also should be singular. So it should be she knows how to swim very well. Okay, very good. Now, who did not get a chance here? Juvan, did you get a chance? Yes?
No, ma'am.
No. Now, Juvan, do it.
I didn't get a chance.
Yes, let me check. 1 minute, children.
Ma'am,
Okay.
ma'am, I cannot
Juvan,
see the board.
Juvan, come
Okay,
on to
ma'am.
the next
Yes,
one.
ma'am.
Fourth question.
Dash likes sandwich.
Sandwiches. Dash like sandwiches. Where the which pronoun do we use there? He or they?
They.
They. Very good. Here the subject it is the verb it is like. Okay. So it is the subject and the verb has to agree here. So it should be they. Very good.
They.
Yes.
Thank you, ma'am.
The last chance.
Ma'am, Sringa Srijit.
Aditya, come on. Aditya.
Okay, ma'am.
Do the last one.
Dash are going to Goa this week.
Weekend. So
We.
yes, we. So children, here are it is there. Please, this question is very, very important. Please look at the subject as well as the verb here. So it should be we. We are. Okay, we are going to Goa this weekend. So I hope you have understood the
our last
model of the
class.
question. Yes, this is the last
Can you
class.
share the board once
So
more?
yes, you want me to share the board once more for you?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am?
Yes.
It's the academic year's last class now.
Yes, this is academic year. This is the last class. So I had a fruitful session with you all children. Thank you very much. With God's grace, this academic year, we have done a great job, I believe, even though due to the pandemic, the online classes went on very well. Thank you for your cooperations, children. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Okay, children.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
So, thank you once again.
Thank you, ma'am.
The last class. Now we have our examinations are going to come. So the question paper will be forwarded to you. So through our group. So I wanted all of you to do it well. I wish you all the very best. To all.
Ma'am,
Thank you,
excuse me, ma'am.
Ma'am, this,
Okay, children. I wish you all the very best. If you have any queries,
ma'am, this same question paper.
same question.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, write this in a plain paper.
Yes, you have to write the answers in a plain paper. The question will be forwarded in the group accordingly as per the instructions, and you have to write the answer script.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, can you use the A4 sheets?
Anything according to your wish. So, bye, children. Thank you all the best.
Bye, ma'am.
So let us. Yes, okay, children. Thank you, children.